In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Genshin Impact Beta Server. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is a process that you must do through Discord and not Genshin Impact itself. So, download Discord on your computer or on mobile and join the official Genshin Impact server. As you can see, all you have to do is go over to the Explore Discoverable Servers tab, and Genshin Impact should be listed on the top. If you do not see it, simply look for Genshin Impact. First of all, keep in mind that the server might be full, as there is a 1 million member cap. So all you have to do is join it whenever there is space available, and after you join the server, you will be able to browse through the channels after you set up your account. The first thing that you should see under the Information tab is this channel right here, Genshin Announcements. This is where they roll out the invites for the Genshin Impact Beta server. I recommend you right-click this channel and you turn on notifications for all messages, because this is a process that is done periodically and it closes very quickly, so you always gotta be on top in order to get into the beta. As you can see, you are going to have to meet these requirements over here. You must be a member of the Genshin Impact Discord server and have your direct messages open. You must be over the age of 18, and you must have a current and unexpired government issue ID, such as a passport or a driver's license. As long as you meet all of these requirements, you will be able to click the link over here. As you can see, if I open up this link, this survey has already been completed, because like I said, these beta applications are periodical and sometimes they will close before you can enter or are approved. If you scroll up, you are going to be able to see all of the past ones. So if you want to join a beta server, it's very important that you always apply on time and as early as possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to play in the Genshin Impact beta server. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.